I'm Jen with Vancouver Island Car Seat Techs. I'm going to show you how to install an infant seat without the base. Most infant seats currently available in Canada are able to be installed without the base, but as always, consult your manual to know for sure. I'm doing a seatbelt install without the base. There are no UAS connectors on just the carrier itself. I need to know how my seatbelt locks. So this one locks at the retractor. I pull it all the way out, give it a tug. It is locked. That's the locking mechanism I will use for this seat. So I need to know the correct belt routing. Infant seats are all different. This particular seat routes like this. Some infant seats route like that. Some infant seats, and my belt actually isn't quite long enough for this, maybe. Some infant seats route like some version of that. It's important to know for your seat what is the approved method of installation. There will be diagrams on the stickers on your seat showing you what is approved, and it's really important to follow those. That's how your seat has been crash tested, and doing it a different way, you are using your child as a crash test dummy. So I do not use pool noodles or a rolled towel to fill this space. It's not usually worthwhile. But what I do is I stand in the vehicle, I give myself lots of room. I route the seat belt according to this particular seat's requirements, and then I lock the belt. And then I stand behind the seat, I push back into the vehicle upholstery, and usually you can compress it sufficiently that is all you need. You do want to make sure that it is installed at the right recline angle. This particular one has a line level to ground. Some have a gravity indicator or a bubble indicator. You need to be parked on level ground to know if those are reading correctly. And then I want to test for belt tightness at the belt path. So where the belt goes through here on the seat, I'm going to grab, and I want an inch or less of movement at the belt path. It will move here, that's okay, but don't disturb it, and your installation will be fine. Actually putting the child in, you can do one of two ways. You can, with a small enough baby, you can slide them under the belt. If the baby is too large for that, you'll have to do the installation with the baby in there. Some children are not a fan of that. Lastly, how is your handle meant to be in the vehicle? If you don't have your manual to know, again, diagrams on the side of the seat will show you. There are often different rules for with the base versus without the base. And however that seat is drawn for however you've installed it, that is how your handle must be. So for this particular one, baseless, on this seat, the handle needs to be all the way down. Make sure that this part is not touching the front seat once the driver's sitting there. And that's it, baseless infant install.